karapatan naman ng UP yan. May academic freedom naman talaga.
Do you have any concerns that it might not be fair to your father's administration?
Well, I think maganda rin na pinag-aaralan. At least sana bigyan na lang kami ng pagkakataon. Sabihin rin kung ano nangyari sa pagkaalam namin. Yun lang naman ang importante doon. Na may viewpoints ng bawat isa at marinig ang bawat isa. Problema kasi yung academic freedom, kung minsan, freedom lang para isang pangkat, wala namang freedom sa iba.
So dapat fair and factual.
Oo, pagbigyan na lang lahat. Kung ano yung opinion nila, ako naman, tingin-tingis ko rin. Yung iba, di makinig rin naman sana. Actually, sa tingin ko, kasalanan na rin ang pamilya namin kasi naging tameme na rin kami. Tinamad na kaming magsalita. Hindi na namin binabahagi yung alam namin. Hindi na rin kami nakikikwento kasi parang nakakapagod na eh. But that's not a good attitude to take. I think it's very important that we share whatever information we have, what we have as personal knowledge, the experience, and the truth that we own, and share it with the rest. And that's the only way we'll have a multifaceted, complete perspective on this historical event.